And I'm Josh.
Josh&Sarah.
And Mommy.
Here. And today we're back for another
Amazon Prime unboxing. So as you can see, we have these packages, this bag package right here. This is our lightest package.
light.
This package is lighter than our
size.
box.
Yeah.
It's a box inside of a box inside of a box.
It was delivered the other day. So let's open it. It's light.
I think.
So guys, what do you think is inside? I think it's a box inside of a box inside of a box.
It's a white bag. No. Right there.
I think it's a special
And it says, I don't know what it says. Pack flexi without any tools. Okay. Okay. We have clips and I don't know what this is. Are these clips? Looks like clips. Okay, we'll open it and see.
So we know.
It's metal. Wait, hold on. So heavy.
Oh, this is.
What is it? What is it?
These are hard to bend.
What are those?
Yeah, these kind of look. Wait a minute. Have you seen something kind of like this before? I feel like I've seen something kind of like this.
Hold on.
Is it a camera holder?
Maybe.
Cell phone
Wait,
holder?
wait.
No, this is. I feel like this is too hard to be a.
No, here. Something like camera holder or my iPhone.
Or like you're gonna like put something.
I know it can
I know
work
this
like that.
Super
It's a lamp holder.
You don't want to hurt
Maybe it's
yourself.
a lamp holder.
So,
Wait, I
That
see
is what it is.
though.
Makeup. So guys, Mommy was right. This is a Blink Mini camera, and
it's a camera holder.
a camera holder with a clip on it.
But the thing is, it's not just for
Any
any camera.
random camera. It's for the Blink Mini.
I want to see the blinking.
Okay. Okay, so we have this because we don't really want to put holes around the house just for that.
Doesn't fit.
And
It's big.
we want to put the camera somewhere safe. So that's why we have these. So what we have to do is we have to take this black part. We could put it two different ways. We could put it on the back or on the bottom of the camera. The back. Okay. And we just have to click it in.
Whoa, I want to try.
And then we could clamp it to the desk and move this
maybe
around.
the cabinets.
So we could put it basically
On the
in
right.
Wait, how about at the window? Because
Yes,
sometimes
maybe.
when we
We
go
can put
to
it almost
sleep,
basically
The
anywhere.
curtain rod.
Uh-huh.
So, and you could easily twist it where you
I
want it.
thought if this was a close, this will not be good. Can I do it?
Yeah,
Open.
it's kind of heavy.
Yeah, that's why it's a good
It's part of that, so it can be the camera can be more secure.
Yeah, because the thing about these cameras, since they're not really that heavy, they often tend to slip.
So yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah. So this is going to add a little bit more stability to the camera and make it harder to move. So guys, Daddy bought this because it's part of the security system, so Daddy could check up on the house with his phone. So guys, we got this on Amazon for $14. So
For 2 pieces.
for 2 pieces.
So
So about $7 for each.
Now the mommy that has the camera.
Yes. So maybe she could use some of them. So guys, if you like this camera,
this holder,
this camera holder.
Put in the comments down
We're gonna
below.
be putting them in the link in the description down below.
And guys, if you like this video,
Please click the like and subscribe button down
Down
below.
below.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Comment if you liked it.